That's what it is right there?
Yeah, it's going down, you know what I'm saying?
Fuck that shit.
We A-Time outside, you know what I'm saying? IMG, Bank Chambers, you know what I'm saying?
My president.
Hey, what's up, brother? What's that you got in your hand right there, man?
Right here, man, this is Rich Nigga Click, man. This is not even a flyer, bro. This is a pamphlet, you know what I'm saying?
Just like that. Hit my leg.
Just like that, man, this is a pamphlet. You know what I'm saying? You already know it's ONC2K12.com. Legalize everything is the
When you say legalize everything, what you mean by
well, look, man, when I say legalize everything, I'm not really talking about every single motherfucking thing. Like, I'm not saying you can just go out and we just rape some hoes. I'm not saying that.
Okay.
I'm saying, you know, like, certain things. It's all about self-expression at the same time. So, you know what I'm saying? Weed, prostitution. Why a bitch can't sell her pussy? For what?
Yeah.
For what?
For what?
We can make a porno. It's the same thing.
Yeah,
Get paid to fuck. The
Okay.
exact same thing.
Okay.
And shit, weed needs to be legal.
So when your next single coming out, I heard about the Bust It Like a Uzi. I heard about your Bust It Like a Virgin. Pop the pussy for Bank Chambers, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And it's going down. So when your next single, I heard it was called Purple Rain, something like that.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's just some little shit for the mixtape. Probably put the intro of the mixtape with that motherfucker.
What's the mixtape name gonna be?
Man, we got a sample of mixtape coming out in a few weeks called Like a Virgin. But after that, to get the summer ready, man, we got one coming out. I can't tell y'all the name
Okay,
yet, man.
okay, exclusive shit.
But the cameraman know what it's called.
Yeah, exclusive
You know
shit.
what I'm
Okay.
Straight like that, man. That's how we doing it, man. Simple. Ain't shit.
Yeah.
Swag.